Hey guys, welcome back to yet another interesting video of Quick Guide, and in this video I'm going to show you how to mute your MidJourney server. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to mute your MidJourney server, you just simply have to open your Discord application, and after opening the Discord application, just simply open this server of MidJourney and go to the profile of the server. Now you will get the option of notification. You just simply have to tap into that notification option, and after coming into this section you will get the option of mute MidJourney. Just simply tap into mute MidJourney and you will get the options. Just simply select which is suitable for you. I'm selecting this until I turn it back option. This way, you can easily mute MidJourney server. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.